On with AMC and GameStop. This is the first time I think for a few days we don't have any jump up or down. It's kind of neutral for both AMC and GameStop. And this is called the preparation or the quiet before the storm. As you can see here, since 20th of May. So technically, we've been consolidating 1 week here, guys. 1 week of consolidation up and down a little bit between the 160 and 150, just 10 cents apart for this area. We have to discuss why and when we might have this squeeze. As a reminder, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So as you can see here, GameStop is just holding over the 2137. And the first test or the first accumulation was here in the mid of May. And then we bounced, we got near the 2318, we pulled back. Now the same, we accumulating. There's no huge buying pressure, there is no selling pressure, and holding over the 2137. This time, guys, we need to hold and break the 2318 to confirm that this time we have a genuine buying pressure. This buying pressure, it wasn't that good enough. That's why we didn't even test this orange line. Next time, as we said, if you want to confirm that we got a whale buying, we need to break the 23 to go toward the 2625. As you can see here, we have a seller, not a whale, huge seller entered here. So this week, we needed the green to happen around this orange line next time, not red, okay? For AMC, on the other hand, but before we go to AMC, we have to discuss again the stock that we traded yesterday. No, it did 35% because of a huge earning, guys. 22% suppress for the earnings. And of course, we discussed it yesterday on our Discord and Patreon. Once the price was around the 174, and we said the 184 is the squeeze zone, and we squeezed big time. And Marvel did okay, jumped up almost 7%, then pulled back down. The link in comment section below, guys, in description. If you want to join our Discord and Patreon to discuss the stock that have earnings and of course has a huge news before the jump, because you see what's happened once we got a huge news about the good earnings, we jumped technically 40% in few hours, guys. Now back to AMC, because AMC, guys, as we discussed early, is accumulating for 1 week, just 10-cent range. What's that mean? A lot of you is getting impatient right now, and this like why is we accumulating here? The good answer or the simple answer is we got a balance between the buyers and sellers. So once you see this kind of neutral action, as you can see here right now, 0.00%, is mean the market is restless and of course undecided and preparing for a huge move, either up or down. If we have a huge movement up, we need to have a huge wick and test the 194, and not just a wick, holding a green candle over the 194 and testing the $2 this time to confirm the squeeze toward the $2.46 and the $3.17, because we already bounced from the 117 and we confirmed that we have a big buyer. And the good thing is we are accumulating up instead of accumulating down, as you can see here for GameStop. This is less volatile and strong action, going up, then go down and accumulating here. This is a bit weak. For AMC is a bit strong because we got a bounce. You see here, go up, bounce down, bounce up, accumulating sideways up, and then a movement up again. It shows us a bit of bullish side, and as we see here is turning toward the green right now, AMC. So we got a bit of buyer coming in right now for the market. So if we broke the $2 by tomorrow before the end of the week, we're going to discuss AMC and GameStop before the market open on our Discord and Patreon, update the chart after that on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow. John, of course, we're gonna do update right now for AOI because AOI is the most volatile stock to watch. And of course, it's got a reversal early before the support. So I'm going to do another update and a short for AOI and our unicorn hunt right now, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. And of course, I'm going to keep my eyes open for AOI, brother, and update the chart on our Discord in a bit. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you all back by tomorrow.